In this video, I'm going to do a snowflake themed pedicure with gel UV polish. Let's jump right in. Hey guys, it's Claris. Welcome back to my channel. So here's what my feet are looking like right now. They're kind of shiny because I actually threw on a few coats of this Sesh Clear base coat. I think they look a lot nicer that way, and also I was able to grow them out a little more without any of the toenails chipping, so that's great. But in preparation for this pedi, we do need to remove that. So now I'm going to take one of my files and just round out the free edges of the nails a little bit. And then I'm going to use my Sally Hansen cuticle remover along with an orange wood stick, and I'm just applying that to all the little cuticles. And then scraping that off, and there's not that much actually, because even though I don't paint my toenails that much, I do like to remove the cuticles, especially when they're soft after a shower. So that's what I'm doing here, because we'll need all the space we can get. So then I went and washed off all of that cuticle gel and everything, and then I'm back and I'm just using a Q-tip and some acetone just to clean up the nail plate, just to make sure they're extra clean and ready. So this is my Born Pretty gel base coat, and this is the gel lamp that I'm using. I unboxed it in this video, and I also tested out 2 Born Pretty gel polishes that they sent me. So today I'm just going to use one of them. So now, because my toenails are pretty short, I'm just going to protect under it with some latex, because I do want to be able to cap that free edge. I want to make this mani last as long as I can, which shouldn't be that much of a problem with gel anyways. I applied the base coat, and then I'm using a cleanup brush dipped in acetone, and I find that gel base coat is a little bit tricky because it's really hard to see, but if you cure it on, then you have to kind of like pick it off and it's all messy. So I just like going around the edge and cleaning it up just so I make sure I don't have any of that on my skin. Then I can cure. And now I'm going in with my gel polish color. I thought it would be a good color for Christmas because it's kind of a nice dark red. So it applies very nicely. I really like the brush. Makes it so easy. And there I am capping the free edge. So I'm applying one coat to all the nails. And then I'm going to go along and do some cleanup with the brush. And then I'm curing that for 30 seconds. And then here I'm going in for the second coat. And if these nails were longer, or if I was doing these on my fingernails, I might do 3 coats, but I think it worked out fine with these. Okay, so I went and did the other foot. Now for the detailing, I'm going to take some white acrylic paint, and much like in my other video where I freehanded snowflakes, I'm using this small brush and just squishing the sides of it against the container so it's nice and thin, and then I'm making a snowflake. So I'm making an X, and then you can make pairs of these little pointy thingies coming out the end, and it could look like that when it's done. Now I'm taking my dotting tool, and at first I wasn't sure where I was putting the dots exactly, but then I had in my mind that it would look great if they were all kind of like clumped together in that corner like that. And then I really liked how it looked with all the snowflakes kind of spread out in that corner. And then I went and did it on the other foot. Alright, so now it's time for a top coat. This is my UV top coat, and it's non-wipe, which is really nice. And I wasn't sure if the acrylic paint would smear, but it didn't. It does seem to dry pretty fast. So no problems with smearing, that's good. So I applied the top coat, and then I cured. And I went and did it on the other foot, and this is what they look like. I think this pedicure is super cute, but we're not finished yet. After using all that acetone, it's a good idea to rehydrate the nails. I like to use my jojoba oil, but there's lots of other options too. So I'm just going to massage that in, and this is the finished pedicure. I think it's really nice. I think I might like it even more than my other one. I'm not sure. But now I want your opinion. Do you think I should have added a little more detail to the other toes, or you think it looks good like this? I really love these snowflakes. Hey, share below your favorite thing to paint on your nails in winter. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. In my next video, I will share my winter nail care routine that I do to keep my nails healthy and strong, even in the colder months. So hit the notification bell so you won't miss it. I'll be including new tips and steps I haven't shared before. And here are the comment shoutouts for this video. Thank you so much everyone for your love and support. And if you'd like to bypass the YouTube notification system, I have an email list that I send out my videos every week, so you can sign up for that in the description if you'd like. There are also links below for my other videos, resources, and links to some products that I use. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it below. If you're new here and you'd like to keep in touch, feel free to subscribe and click the bell for notifications when I post every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. EST. And do feel free to share my channel or my video with your friends. That means so much to me. And comment below, what do you think about this pedicure? Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. You're really the best, and have a magical day.